Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of the Sparkplux. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this body in Fusion 360 using this 2D drawing. You guys can find the downloadable link to this file in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. So what I'm going to do is I will start by making this front view, then I'm going to make some extrusion, some hole commands, and some radius in the end to make this final touch-up. Remember, the radius of R2 has been removed from all the views except from the isometric view to better understand the dimension. So I will start by making this profile. So for that, just go to select sketch and go to front plane. Now I will start by making this bottom rectangle of 64 by 20. So for that, select a 2-point rectangle, draw a rectangle like this, press D for dimension, give this a dimension of 60 and give this a dimension of 20 like this. Once done, I'm going to draw this profile like this. So as you guys can see, the distance from this point to this point is given 146, and also the angle between this line and this point is given 45 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I will draw a rough line like this and press D for dimension. From this point to this line, I'm going to give it angular dimension of 45 degrees. Once done, I am going to select to this point and the bottom line, and the dimension as written here is 146. So I'm going to give this dimension of 146 and press enter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude this line from this point till the point it joins. Press D for trim, remove these two lines like this. Once done, I'm going to make a radius over here, and the distance for radius is given here, it's R15. So I'm going to select the fillet, select these two lines and give it a radius of 15. Now once done, I'm going to give it a thickness of 12 mm. As you guys can see, this profile is offset by 12 mm to make this rectangular profile here. So for that, I'm going to select this line, this radius and this line, and I'm going to select offset. Now offset distance direction would be opposite, minus 12, and you may press enter. Once done, press L for line and join these two lines to make the sketch closed. Once done, you may finish the sketch. Now I'm going to extrude this to a certain distance. So if you just look at the right view, the left view, the extruded distance of the bottom rectangle is 96, and this profile, the extruded distance of this profile is 60. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude. The direction would be symmetric. First I'm going to select the bottom rectangle. So this time I'm going to select the whole length, and the whole length is going to be 96, and you may select new component and press OK. Once done, just switch on the sketch again click on extrude. This time select this part and the operation would be join. The direction would be symmetric, and select the whole length, and the distance would be 60 mm like this. Now you may hide the sketch as we don't need them now. Now if you just look closely on this circle, this is a circle and dimension of this circle is given here. The outer dia is 50 mm, and the distance from the center to the end point is given 30 mm, and the extrude distance is 32 mm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a this whole circular profile. So for that, I'm going to create a sketch on this plane like this. Draw a circle from the very center, and the dia would be 52 as given here. The dia is 52 and the distance from the outermost point is 33. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press D for dimension, select this point and this line and give it dimension of 33, and you may press enter. Now once done, I'm going to extrude it up to a distance of 32 mm. So for that, finish the sketch and click on extrude, and you may select the circle like this and extrude it up to a distance of 32, and the operation would be join and press OK. Now once done, again click on this circle and press C for circle and draw a circle of radius 40 mm, the dia 40 mm, and we are going to drill a hole through it. So for that, just extrude it and the distance would be cut. Now once done, I need to select the dia. Just we have just drilled the hole. The dia of it is going to be 32, not 40 mm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this sketch and click on edit sketch and give it the dia of 32, and you may finish the sketch. Now once done, click on the fillet command and give these two lines a fillet, and the fillet radius would be 30 mm, and you may press the enter. It will look like some like this. Now the last step is to make this S-like profile in the front plane, right in the middle, and the extrude direction, the thickness is given in the very left view, is 10 mm thick. So what I'm going to do is again click on create sketch, and right in the front plane I am going to create the sketch for that. So what I'm going to do is press P for project, and I'm going to project this line and this line and also this one and press OK. Now once projected, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two circles like here, given here. So this circle is going to be concentric with the radius one, and the center of this circle is given here. So what I'm going to do is the first circle is of radius 53, as you guys can see here. So I'm going to make a circle right from this point with a radius of 53. So 53 multiplied by 2 is 106, like this, and the other circle of radius 55. So draw a circle somewhere here of radius 55 into 2. The dia is 55 into 2, that is 110. Now once done, I need to make the tangent relation between these two circles, and the second thing is I'm going to make a coincident relation between this point and this circle. Now once done, press T for trim to remove the excess lines. I'm going to remove this line, not this one. One thing I also need to do, the sketch is not closed yet, so I'm going to press P for project. Now I need to draw a rough line like this over here. Press T for trim, just trim this line. No, just press Ctrl Z. Trim, we are going to trim this line, then I'm going to trim this one. Yeah, now the sketch is closed. I need this closed figure. Now you may finish the sketch. I think the sketch is not closed yet. Again, just go back and click on the sketch. Yeah, our sketch is not closed, this is open. So draw a line from here to here so that our sketch is now closed. Now you may finish the sketch. Remember the thickness was given here 10 mm. So press extrude, the command would be join, the direction would be symmetric, whole length, and the distance would be 10, and press OK. Now this is how our body will look like after completion. Now the only thing left is to provide these radius of 2 mm all across the edge. So for that, just click on fillet, select this line, these edges like I'm doing here, select all the edges that are visible to you and press 2, and you may give the radius like this. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. Please comment any queries and suggestions for my upcoming videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.